Welcome into lesson 9, talking about time signatures other than 4/4. So if we remember our time signatures, two numbers, remember we're not going to do a fraction, get rid of that. And our top number is telling us how high we count, and our bottom number is telling us how fast we count. Another way to think about that, the top number indicates how many beats are in the measure, so we're counting to 4 in 4/4, and the bottom number indicates the duration of each beat. So if it's a 4 on the bottom, the beat is a quarter note in length. If it's a 2 on the bottom, the duration is a half note in length. If it's an 8 on the bottom, the duration is an eighth note in length. So when we look at 3/4, one complete measure is going to be 3 quarter notes long. If we look at 3/2, that changes to 3 half notes in length. 3/8 is 3 eighth notes in length. So let's take a look at the examples we have here. In our first example, we're in 4/4 with a half note, and we have to add, let's add a rest, and only one rest to complete the measure. So we know a half note has 2 beats, and so we need a rest that is the equivalent of 2 beats. So think back, and we need our half note rest. Again, that's a little sloppy, but that half rest, 3 and 4. So we're complete there. Now, switching gears and looking at our second measure, which is in 5/8. So there's going to be 5 beats, and we're counting at the speed of eighth notes. So already we have 3 eighth notes, and let's add another rest. So what's the equivalent of 2 eighth notes? 1 quarter note, but we're not adding a note, we're adding a rest. So our quarter rest. So that when we count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the rests. And then we complete our measure.